Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What is a rolling blackout? A rolling blackout occurs when a power company turns off electricity to selected areas to save power. The areas are selected using sophisticated computer programs and models. The blackouts are typically for 1 hour, then the power is restored and another area is turned off.
Make your mark, take our lead.
What are brownouts? The biggest difference between blackouts and brownouts is that blackouts are a complete shutdown of power, whereas brownouts are partial outages. Instead of the power going out completely, the system capacity is reduced. The voltage is usually reduced by 10 to 25%. 11 December 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Avoid the use of large electric appliances, including washer, dryers and dishwashers, during the early morning and late evening hours, when demand for electricity is highest. Close heat escape routes in your home. Set your ceiling fan to rotate clockwise, which helps force warm air down into the room. 15 February 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.